What's up, my people? Like I've always been talking about buying a funded account. So today I'll be showing you guys how to properly buy a funded account, and this is the step by step process of buying a funded account. So one thing you first know, like you have to first have capital in order to purchase, and this video we shall be using this program called FundedPips. Yeah, so that's the program we shall be using, and I'll be telling you the advantages, but let's first go to the process of buying it. So you head to your Google Chrome. Go to your Google Chrome. If not anywhere you can like get, then you write like FundedPips. Let me put it. Then you write FundedPips here. FundedPips. After you write it, it will pop up here. You will just see it here. It will just pop up. Then it's what you have to go and press. You just press it. Then now they'll first show us the rules, so we have to first read it. So before you just buy any program, you have to first know. So in this case, just for this video, I will just first choose for 5K account. It's here. I'll choose for 5K here. Then now here are the rules. As you see, uh this is for a student. You have to first make 8% profit target. As you see, 8%. This is like evaluation one, like the first step. You have to first make 8%. Pardon. You have to first make 8%. Then after you make about 15%, like 10% minimum stop loss. So you should not lose more than 10% of the whole account, which is about $500. You should not lose about $500. Then the daily, you should not lose like 250, as you see there. Then the minimum trading days is 3 days, guys. These are the minimum trading days that you must trade before they give you the account, even after passing it. These are days that you will save it. So now we go to the second phase, where you need just a profit target of 250, which is about 5%. It's really good. Then the rest remains the same. Then after, when everything remains, only what changes in the second evaluation is the profit target. You now have to do a half of 10%, like 5%. Yes, then now they will reward you to it. So what we shall first do, anyways, in case you are new to this program, is where you have to first sign in. This is how you can press sign in. Then you wait a little bit. Then now you fill all your details here. You fill them, you press agree. For my case, I'm going to use a Gmail. So now first hide the details of the Gmail. I think we're in the Gmail. So this how it is. This how it is. It will bring your name up here, and here are the options. This side, here are the options. Anything you want. I really trust this program very well. So this is it, where it has many features about this. You can go and check them out by yourself, and here it will show you the section with your win rate. If you trade New York, it will show you your win rate, London, all those stuff. That's it. And even they do free competitions. Yep, you can do free competition. But let's just first head into the buy side. Let's hit to the buy. So this is how you create an account, and I'll even show you how to get a discount, like how you can get a discount. So we shall first leave it step 2, because step 2 is much cheaper, and is the best for beginners or professional, for all every trader is just the best. The reason why I choose step 2 always is because if you can pass phase 1 and you pass phase 2, that shows you can manage to maintain the account. So that's the reason. So you guys, like, is the best. So here is the profit target, where you have to reach. Here, profit target 8%. If not, you go with 10% with negative negative $40, but I'll just choose 8%. Then now you choose the account size. You can choose $100, but they are all with different prices. But I'll first choose with 5K. But with 5K, if you want to go with 10K, it will give you negative $3, which is cool. It's fair price. Then now you continue. Now you choose. If you're a merchant trader, for me, I'll still choose MT5. MT5, is actually the god. MT5. Then now you come like building details. Uganda, Nigeria, yeah. These things all remain the same. You have to first that. Then now what you have to put in a discount part is put FP, capital FP. Then we shall get like a 20% discount. So it's currently at $36. You can see it's currently at $36. But after we press this stuff here, it will change. You wait and see. It's now at $36. You can see here $36. So let me press apply and you see it will go to like 27. Is here is where you know that the effect has worked. It's now $28, which is cool, not bad. Now we press agree, then we press purchase. So now it will take you to another check site. So for me now, I want to use like my Visa card, Mastercard, any will work. So now let's just go through it. So now I'll be using my second phone to do it, but in this part I'll be hiding the details because like you understand me, right? So I'll be hiding the details. This is where you have to put your account number, card number, expiring date, and the stuff. So okay, cool. I'll be pausing for some time now. Boom, guys, and it's done. The process. Yeah. Just confirmed it here. Can even check here. And payment one successful payments. So now I'll go back to FundedPips and I see if yeah, and it's done already. As you see now, like this, we are done purchasing the funded account. So guys, wish me luck and do not forget I will be live every day taking trades on this and we shall start on Monday. So this is it, man, guys. This is already it, and I'll read through this is how it looks pretty much. My win rate here, profit factor, average loss, all this stuff. It will always reset every 6 days. And now in details, this is it. So you should not lose more than 250 in one day, and your maximum loss is $500. So your account balance should never reach 4,500 will never reach there. If you reach there, you lose the account. Okay, you reach, then now your profit target, how much you need to like reach in order to pass. It's from zero of, okay, it's like $400 you have to achieve to just pass one phase. That's fast elevation. Anyways, this is it. So guys, I'll be showing guys, like these are just the dates, all the stuff, they don't matter that much. Yeah, so now I'll be showing guys like my plan of how I'm willing to pass this stuff. So guys, like these are my rules here, and I just made to keep it simple. I've not put every rule there because some rules like it's like a must. I have to follow it, like break of structure, all this stuff, following up the trends. So I just put few deals, like three details, that four details that will help me guide it and pass my funded account. Yes, this is just this stuff I'm just showing you guys to show you guys that it's very possible to pass a funded account, and I'm proving it to you guys that it's very easy to pass it. So here is my list. So these are my rules. I'm keeping it simple, guys. Don't expect too much. And the first rule will go 1 to 2 sit-ups per day. That shows I have to only look one setup, two setups a day. I don't have that. By putting that rule, it makes me to not chase trades. It makes me to not chase trades over trade. So it so that rule will help me to not never chase trades when I see like a low probability setup or not take it. Secondly, risk risk 0.5% per trade. Now let me tell you guys something. Many people will be like, you have to risk, like guys, like my hand got broken yesterday when I was playing football. Consider, so I'm not feeling well that well. But anyways, like most people will be telling me that no, like risk 1% per trade. But let me tell you, this is my game. I know what I'm doing. The reason why I'm risking 0.5%, one thing I'm doing, I want to like last longer in the game. That's one thing. I have to last longer in the game. Two, I am not rushing. I am not rushing to get my fast payout. I'm going to take it slow. Remember, patience is key, guys. If you are patient enough, you become successful. So let's go to the third one. Aim at 1 to 4 risk to reward. That's like my fixed risk to reward that I'm planning to go consistently. So like when I'm risking 0.5%, that shows I'm getting like 2% or 1% like 2% return. So that's like I'm risking 0.5% to get 2% return, which is worth it for me, guys. I'm not rushing anywhere, I'm just keeping it cool. So that's it. And let's see, in case I have no time limit. As I say, guys, I'm not rushing, taking it slow. It's the best part. If you rush it, that's the reason why most traders fail to pass a funded account. Because like they rush too much and they want to just get their fast payout. For me, I'm not up to the fast payout. I'm never up to the fast payout. I just want to prove to you guys that passing a funded account is very easy. So hit the subscribe button if you want to wish me luck for my journey. Just wish me luck. So hit the subscribe button to show that you have wished me luck. So in every trade I'll be taking, I'll be live streaming it in either YouTube or TikTok. I'll decide about that, but it's most likely to be on TikTok. So that's how you can purchase a funded account. And these are my rules. And just guys, just continue supporting me until we pass this funded account. So it will be normal if I blow, but I believe in myself. I'll never blow. I'm very sure I'll not blow. So I'll be showing guys the good thing you are here since day one. So you can just hit the subscribe button. Then we continue on Monday. We kill the market. So since you have reached this far, I'll give you guys a good setup, a setup on GU. That's just because like you have been watching alone, so I'll be giving you a good setup so that we don't miss this setup, me and you, like me and you. So like quick down analysis. So this is like more about a swing trade. What I identified, like one thing I had to first do is to identify the trend of the trend. So now based on this structure, you can see the price is creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So now it's now coming to sweep liquidity, then we head up. So after heading up, remember guys, this we are counter trending. The overall trend is bearish, guys. It's bearish because it broke this low. You can see it broke this low. It broke this law. Then also it went and broke structure. So the reason why it was retracing is just to mitigate this zone, which I remember, guys. I remember when I started this TikTok, I gave a signal somewhere here. I'm very sure. Like I did the analysis when this move, like this whole move never happened. This whole move never happened. So I'm sure I gave this stuff. So we shall be trading against the market. Okay, on the hard time frame we are trading against the market, but in the daily time frame we are on the track. Like I don't know how to explain to you guys, but you understand. Currently, the small structure is bullish, so it's what we want for the market tomorrow. For the market tomorrow to like sweep some liquidity, sweep this liquidity, though it has swept. I want it to sweep another, and then we now have that initial pull to the upside. So that's the trade I'm giving you guys. I hope you take it. And thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button to wish me luck to pass this funded account. And this is the first funded account of this year. Let's see, will I blow or hit it?